This dahon, it's good for ubo.
Left. That's left is good for asthma.
Asthma and cough. Ubo. No.
Cough.
Cough. Oh. Kasi mo na.
Asthma and cough.
Ah.
Reliever.
Ang sa pagkina na.
Ah?
Ang sa pagkina. Na. Mama.
Too much coughing, guys.
You take this one.
This herbal
This
is
herbal good for sana.
good for asthma, good for cough.
For mama. Usapon ba?
Herbal.
Good sana. Good for lipids. Sana.
Oh.
Good for high blood pressure ko no. Ito siya. Tatawag ka?
Very big lift.
Like this, you see this?
Ka. Sapa.
This leaf is
Like chewing gum, bubble gum.
sweet.
Sweet Kau na. Buyo.